Hello friends, welcome to Tech Level Infinity. In today's video I will show you 10 shortcut keys for Windows 10 laptops or computers which will make using your laptop or computer easy. So let's begin the video. There are many keys on your keyboard. In that one of the key looks like this is Windows logo key. The main function of this key is to open and close the start menu. It also has many shortcut keys with it. Let's discuss 10 of them today and the rest in other videos. But before continuing with the video, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel and select all option by pressing the bell icon so that you can receive notification whenever I upload a new video. Now let's go ahead with the first shortcut key. Number 1. Windows logo key plus A. When you press Windows logo key plus A, the Action Center will open on your desktop. As you can see, Action Center is the place where you can see notifications and the quick settings. Number 2. Windows logo key plus C. When you press Windows logo key plus C, Cortana will get activated, but for this shortcut key to work you should enable it in settings. Number 3. Windows logo key plus D. When you have many apps open and running in the background, you can press the Windows logo key plus D to minimize all apps and go to the desktop. Number 4. Windows logo key plus Alt plus D. When you press Windows logo key plus Alt plus D, the time and date will be displayed as you can see. Number 5. Windows logo key plus E. You can press the Windows logo key plus E to open File Explorer. Before we continue, I want to tell you something. There are links in description of my Instagram, Twitter and Discord. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter by pressing that link, and also join my Discord server by pressing that link. You can message or mail me if you have any issue in your laptop or computer or mobile so that the issue can be solved. Now let's continue the video. Number 6. Windows logo key plus F. When you want to take a screenshot and give feedback of any app, you can press Windows logo key plus F. Number 7. Windows logo key plus G. You can press Windows logo key plus G to open the game bar where you can take a screenshot, record screen, and many other features are also there in the game bar. Number 8. Windows logo key plus I. When you press Windows logo key plus I, all setting will open. Number 9. Windows logo key plus K. You can press Windows logo key plus K to project your laptop screen to any other device because it will open the projection setting. Number 10. Windows logo key plus L. When you press Windows logo key plus L, you will be logged out from your account and your laptop or computer will be locked. Link of all the shortcut keys is given in description, so you can also check it out there. So you have 10 shortcut keys with Windows logo key. Another 10 shortcut key with Windows logo key will be uploaded next week. Please follow me on Instagram and Twitter so you never miss an update. Now it's time to end the video. Thank you for watching this video.